Halo teman-teman.
Kali ini Kenji mau tulis huruf U. Kenji, U sounds apa? In English, U itu dibacanya gimana?
Kayak papan aja.
Iya. What sound do you want to write?
This.
What sound is this? Yes, okay, please write it. Put it in here. Okay, write it.
Okay.
Bikin L dulu.
This is L.
And then?
L.
Yes, right. And then what sound do you want to write? What letter this is? V. V. Okay. What sound the letter V is? Sound the letter V is?
V is.
What sound? Okay.
Okay.
Can you write it? Write the letter V.
V. Yeah. Keyboard garis.
And then?
Garis.
Yes, great. Okay. Now, what sound is this, Kenji? For?
Doctor.
What doctor is this?
Kayak dokter hewan aja.
Yes, dokter hewan. In English is vet.
Vet.
For?
Vet.
For?
Fan.
Fan.
Fan. Fan.
Okay. What sound is this, Kenji? For? Under. Right. For?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Okay.
Terima kasih teman-teman.
Tugasnya itu aja teman-teman hari ini home learningnya. Terima kasih.
Dan channel and subscribe supaya nggak ketinggalan video-video kita lagi. Kata teman-teman.